Google Forms reliably collects input, but sometimes looking the input back up on the Responses tab can be daunting, especially if you need to match up who submitted which info. Hi, Gabriela Laszlo here from KloudGem.com. Sometimes viewing your Google Form responses can be easier when done in a spreadsheet, and you can achieve this with the click of a button on the Responses tab. Let's look at an example. Imagine that you are using Google Forms as a contact form. Because you can get alerts about when someone submitted a form right into your inbox. And you want to have a record of whether and when you replied. When you link a new or existing sheet to a form, you can use additional columns for your record keeping. Replied, what was the reply, and when. If this tip helped you, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to get notifications when a new video goes up on the KloudGem channel, subscribe and click the bell. Thanks for watching. Until next time.